Basic English conversation. Practice.
Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
How many dolls do you have?
Do you have a doll? Yes, I do. How many dolls do you have? I have 5. Do you have a doll? Yes. How many dolls do you have? I have 10 dolls. Wow, you have a lot. Yes, I do.
How many toys do you have?
Do you have toys? Yes, I do. How many toys do you have? I have 6 toys. Do you have dinosaur toys? Yes, I do. How many dinosaur toys do you have? I have 2 dinosaur toys.
Okay, go ahead.
I will quiz you about kangaroos. Okay, go ahead. Can a kangaroo jump? Yes, it can jump very well. Can a kangaroo fly? No, it can't. Can a kangaroo swim? No, it can't. You are wrong. A kangaroo can swim. Really? I didn't know that.
How do you get to school?
Bob, how do you get to school?
I get to school by bus.
Jenny, how do you get to school?
I get to school by car.
Who drives the car?
My mom.
John, how do you get to school?
I walk.
What a cute name.
What is her name? Her name is Lady. Where does Lady live? She lives in a castle. She is a princess. What is this dog's name? Its name is Poppy. What a cute name! Where does Poppy live? He lives in the castle.